Welcome all. In today's topic, we'll be seeing what are different logical operators. Logical expression contains a logical operators which in returns gives us either a binary 0 or a binary 1 depending upon whether the expression results us as true or as false, right? So whatever expression we are going to provide it to the compiler, in response what it will be returning it will be returning us as an binary 0 or as a binary 1. So we will be interpreting it as either it is 0 as false or 1 as true, right? So the input might be in terms of like this as 0 1 or true or false, right? So we will be interpreting it either yes no, true false, as on and off, and so on. Okay, so these are nothing but how logical operators are being performed. Now there are three different operators. This is called as a logical and, right? We write ampersand twice to express how a logical and will be representing while writing a C program, right? Logical and is true if all the operands are true. You can see an example here. If C variable is having an integer value 5 and D variable is having an integer value 2, then if I want to check whether these two expressions in different terms, right? So this, if both are equal, then it will be, there will be an output in terms of binary 0, or if we take another as logical or, we'll be having an different expression. So in terms of output, what you're getting as 0 or 1, right? So we have three different logical operators as logical and, logical or, and logical not, right? Talking about logical or, if it is true only if either of one of the operand is true. In logical and, true only if all the operands are true. Whereas in logical not, true only if the operand is 0. Okay, so these are three different operators for logical. Now we'll see a small example or a small programmatical example on how these three different logical operators can be written in C program. Okay, so I'll move on to my IDE. Create a new file by a shortcut pressing as Ctrl plus N. This will give me a new file, an editor to write my C program, right? Now I'll write my problem statement. What we need to do, write a program to demonstrate logical operators. Write our program using hash include stdio.h. We define our main function. This is the scope of our main function. Now we'll take three different variables and try to check the logical relationship between the three variables and then try to store our result in another variable. So I'll take integers as a equal to 5, b equal to again 5 to check whether these two are equal or not. We'll be needing two same variable. Then we'll have c equal to different variable value as 10 and we'll store our answer in this result, right? Result equal to first whether a equal to b, and comparatively we'll go for another expression between c and b. Then we'll print this result by using printf function. I'll use the same expression to be printed on the screen so that we be able to know which expression is giving you the exact output. So this expression is, it will give you the answer here and then /n and print the variable to be displayed. We are storing it in a result. Another variable again, another expression a equal to b check the opposite of this above expression. Now whether it is less than b, and we'll print the result. So these two results must be exactly opposite to each other. So I'll copy this, paste it over here, and let's print the output /n, result. Now we check for OR condition, a equal to b or c less than b, and then we'll print it. Printf, copy this expression so that you might be able to find easily in the output. D/n, right? Move to the next line. Then we'll go for third logical operator, that is logical NOT. Use this symbol to represent NOT. A not equal to B. So this is the expression, right? We'll print it. I'll copy this so that you can identify this output on the screen after executing the program. Is %d/n, and the result. Okay, I'll save this program. I'll give it a name as logical.c. I'll save it, and then we'll execute this program and see the output, which will be in terms of zeros and ones. Yeah, you can see here, these are the four expressions we have taken here, and this is the value which you are getting in terms of zeros and ones. If it is true, it will give you as 1. If it is false, it will give as 0. Right? So this is how logical operators are being performed onto these three different operators.